In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print bank reconciliation in QuickBooks Online. Printing your bank reconciliation is a simple way to keep a clean audit trail, share results with your accountant, or file a snapshot of your month-end close. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to QuickBooks Online and that you've completed a reconciliation for the account and period you want to print. You'll be printing exactly what appears on the reconciliation view, so it helps to confirm you're looking at the right account and date range. Start by looking at the left navigation panel. Click on Accounting. This is your home base for chart of accounts, closing tasks, and the reconciliation tools. Once you're in accounting, go to the Reconcile tab. This takes you to the reconciliation area where you can see current and past reconciliations. If you've just finished reconciling, you'll land on the reconciliation view, showing your statement ending date, beginning balance, cleared transactions, and any differences. With the reconciliation view open, move your eyes to the top right of the screen. You'll see a small printer icon. Click that printer icon. QuickBooks will generate a print view, which is essentially a clean, formatted version of your reconciliation. This view is designed to be easy to read and ready for your records. Take a moment to scan the summary, including the ending balance, cleared totals, and the list of transactions. This quick review ensures you're printing exactly what you intend to share or store. When the print view appears, all that's left is to click Print. Your browser's print dialog will open so you can proceed. The dialog may look slightly different depending on your browser and operating system, but the process is the same. Confirm your printer, check the pages, and proceed to print. If you notice the layout looks cramped or cuts off, adjust your print settings such as scale or orientation so the report fits neatly on the page. This helps keep totals and transaction lines crisp and legible. That's really all there is to it. Click Accounting on the left panel, go to the Reconcile tab, open your reconciliation view, click the printer icon at the top right, and then print from the print view. Keeping a printed copy or storing a digital version in your records makes month-end reviews and future audits much smoother. Thanks for watching. If this helped, keep practicing these steps each month so your reconciliation workflow stays consistent and organized.